So welcome back to my channel, y'all. This is going to be another attempt at vlogging. This vlog is the first of a series I'm calling House to Home, and it's just going to be me vlogging or documenting our moving process into our new home and like the whole decorating thing and all that good stuff, renter friendly hacks, all of those good things of that nature. So I just want to document it, vlog it, or whatever. Y'all support. Watch the whole video to the end, y'all. The video on 12 minutes. If you can't watch 12 minutes, if you click off, you really a hater. Help me, help myself. But yeah, please watch the video to the end. And in the beginning, I did not record an intro, so this is going to serve as the intro. I'm starting to pack my son's room. I show clips and bits and pieces of me packing my closet and just packing things around the house. I didn't vlog the whole process because moving is stressful on its own, and the last thing I'm thinking about is picking up a camera. So it's a short video, so just watch it. And yeah.
Can you play that again?
Empire.
Can you play that again?
Call my phone and say you need me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me. I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby.
So this is my closet. I gotta pack the whole closet up. I think this stuff I'm gonna just leave in the bins. Go through my shoes. This is my nail stuff. Clean clothes. Hair stuff. All my purses. Pack up my vanity. Perfumes over there. Perfumes over here. And then random stuff. It's a bunch of sandals under there. It's a bunch of stuff to pack. I'm gonna start packing. So this is what we looking like, a big hot mess. This is, we move in tomorrow. We can move in today, but we're not moving till tomorrow. So today is Monday. We're gonna move in on Tuesday. But this is what the house looks like. This is stuff we're taking. I don't know. It's just all over the place. All over the place. It's junky, it's messy. Most of the stuff is Harlem's room. And this is packed up for the most part. Not taking that bean bag, but I'm about to pack my closet because I'm gonna go ahead and take my clothes today. Just clean clothes that was washed that we gotta take. Probably just gonna leave that in the basket. Here go my junky closet. It don't even look like I packed nothing. All that except the yellow bin. So those 4 bins in that bag is out of my closet, but it don't look like I packed nothing out of my closet. It don't look like I packed shit, but I did.
We have some big news right now. Hopefully,
But I'm about to probably try to put those bins in my car and the clothes on a hanger and just fit whatever I can. So when I get off work today, I'm gonna take it to the new house. Okay, let's pack it up.
Okay. I got everything in the car that I wanted to get in the car. And we have to come back for the rest later. I'm about to go to work.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot pray. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need my love. I need a free mind. I really need I need to free my mind now.
Is it blurry? Cause it's damn fingerprints all on my shit. It's moving up. They about to burn the couch. And then I'm about to clean up. And then we're gonna start moving stuff. But I'm trying to vlog, y'all. This is a stressful process. So I'm just doing the best I can. That's all we can do. So yeah, I think I gave y'all like a little tour yesterday. But yeah, I'm just waiting. I just got here. I'm waiting for them to bring the couch. And then I'm gonna start cleaning up. Cause I don't wanna start and then gotta stop and stuff. So yeah. Yeah. Excited. I'm excited a little bit. I am excited. It's gonna be a lot of work. But I'm ready to get it over with. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for them to bring the couch and then I'm gonna clean up. And by that time, it should be time to move some shit. Okay, I had to stop and catch my breath. So, just finished cleaning downstairs. About to clean the bathrooms upstairs. And then it's going to be time to start moving stuff in. This is my little closet room. Little beauty room. Whatever it's going to be. This is stuff that I brought over in my car. I'm going to change that light. But that's all my clothes. And yeah, now I'm about to clean the 2 bathrooms upstairs. And then we're gonna start moving. We about to start moving the stuff, but I just want to show y'all the bed all put together. Ooh, it's so cute, right? So it's the desk part, and I got him a desk chair, and then the drawers. I'm gonna put it. It's gonna be like a for his toys, cause he gonna have a dresser for his clothes. So toys go in there. Then he got the bookshelf for his books, and then his bed at the top. And I plan to put like a futon couch right here, dresser and TV right there. And yeah, my baby said he want a gaming room, so we're gonna do a gaming room. We ain't got Miss Nala bed put up yet, but her bed will be put up tonight or tomorrow. She's gonna have a stitch room. We'll have that real nice. Well, y'all don't know what the bed look like, but it's gonna be like a house bed. But I guess I'll show y'all. I'm gonna put this tarp down because we gotta bring the stuff upstairs, and we're probably gonna have to use the dolly. And now we got carpet, so I'm gonna put this little tarp down. Show y'all that too, because everything is content.
I slept 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me.